If you've ever tried to use your Blackstone griddle on a windy day, you know the frustration of not getting the heat you need to cook the way you want. We're going to help you fix that problem today. What's Dollar Tree have to do with Blackstone griddles? Let's walk inside and find out. Right here in the Kitchen Essentials section, you'll find these chopper scrapers. Grab yourself 4 of these for $1.25 each, and for $5.35 you'll be on your way. The day that I did this project, I was battling a 14-mile-per-hour wind. Not the end of the world, but enough to give you fits. If you haven't picked up one of these infrared thermometer guns, it's worthwhile to have to check the surface temperature of your griddle. Prior to executing this modification, I was getting a maximum reading of 367.7 degrees. I took the 4 chopper scrapers, and they fit perfectly over the sides of the griddle. They're tight enough to stay in place, but also easy enough to remove if you need to for cleaning purposes. After putting them in place, you can see there's significant wind restriction, but there's also still plenty of ventilation that the griddle needs. Here you can see what we gained with a simple $5.35 investment. We went from a maximum of 367.7 degrees to a maximum of 466.5 degrees. In the end, this was a really simple way to increase the temperature of our griddle surface by 100 degrees. Let me know what simple Blackstone hacks you've come up with.